Hey there, Assalamu alaikum. What's up? I hope you are all full fit and fine. I'm fantastic by the grace of Almighty Allah. I have no plan to say in this video because I don't think what I will say, and I'm thinking, that I'm making videos or content last 3 or 4 months. Or I was making video but don't give it in Facebook or YouTube my channel, and my well wishers and close friends always ask me what's the benefit for making this video, and I confessed to them that this is my hobby. Every person has different kinds of hobby, and this is my hobby. So this purpose I'm making this video and uploading Facebook or YouTube channel. And is it possible to income money by this video? I think it's not possible because that whenever a farmer cultivate his lands, he has to work hard, and he has to spend a lot of time. And since I'm making this video and I have to spend a lot of time and I have to work hard by editing this video. If a farmer don't work hard, don't invest his time, don't nurse his farm properly, he or she doesn't get proper crops from his land. So like this, if I don't work hard, if I don't making my video or good content, if I don't make good content, it will be not benefited one day, or it's impossible for me to earn money by making this video or content. So dear viewers, uh, whenever a farmer cultivate his lands, firstly he has to prepare his land, and then he has to spread his seeds on his land. Then he or she has to wait 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, or 4 or 5 months. So I have to wait like this. And by this time, if a farmer works hard and proper nurses and spread the insecticides in his field, it will be benefited one day. And like this, if I make a good quality of content, say if I spend a lot of time, if it will be benefited one day or other. So but I have to work hard, I have to make good content. That my video contents quality is not good because I am making this video by a smartphone, but very simple smartphone, and there is no extra apps by creating extraordinary content or editing. So it's just simple, and I can't see any light of hope to earn money by this content. But I think one day or other day I will success, and this is not a purpose, but this is my hobby to make content, and I will become very pleasure. And whenever my well wishers and my viewers comment me and inspire me and phone to me, they are watching my content. So dear viewers, no today, see you again. Bye bye.